Everyone's running kimonos, so we have another deal for some very inexpensive Lysol wipes. So this tag is from a couple weeks back, but this is what you're looking for in the store. So go into the detergent aisle and look for these Lysol wipes. So they are $5.49 on a buy one get one free promotion this week. Special shout out and thank you though to Instagrammer GME Coupons. She posted this yesterday on her Instagram feed and she is right on the money. This lady is like Walgreens royalty. She's always coming up with these cool deals. So shout out and tip of the hat to her. This is in fact her deal. So as I was saying, guys, these are $5.49 on a buy one get one free promotion this week. Now, we also have this guy, which is a buy one get one free coupon. We were supposed to load this, I think, like 2 weeks ago, and it was also on coupons.com. Now, this is kind of a weird promotion where the promotion is buy one get one free in store, and the coupon is a buy one get one free. So the two are in fact stacking. Basically makes it like 49 cents for the two. If you didn't load this coupon like a week ago when it first popped up, sorry guys, it's no longer available to load. And I know a lot of people did this deal with success. And just for fun, I put two in a basket. I won't be able to go till much later today because I'm at work. But as you can see, the coupon's coming off and this is online. So it shakes it out to 24.5 cents per bag of Lysol wipes. And this isn't some generic no-name disinfectant wipe. This is Lysol. So it's of a very good quality. And no, I have not tested this with the paper one from coupons.com. And I'm not sure if that one's still around, but it's a weird sort of stackable thing of a promotion and a manufacturer. So I would do this deal ASAP. Let us know in the comments if you have success with this as well. Okay, another quick deal is on these Maybelline. It's called a mini lash bar. So they have an end cap in certain stores. It's in larger stores. And this guy is $10.49. I got a manager to scan one for me yesterday because I'm like, is this part of clearance? Because of course I was quite interested. And the manager scanned it and it was still $10.49. So it's still full price. Now, this is on an end cap in the beauty section. That's where I found it because people are like, where do I find it? That's where I found it. So at this store, it says $10.99, but it's actually ringing up for $10.49. And that was the sales price or the price in most of December. So I don't know why it says $10.99. It's kind of mysterious to me. Now, on Christmas Day, there was a coupon that showed up. So if you loaded this on Christmas Day, it was an $8 off. So as I think you can see what I'm lining up here, if you loaded this coupon, you're in for a really good deal. So hopefully you have all the coupons loaded for this little video, or these deals might not work out for you. I think there's also a $4 off as well, but this is the more spectacular to use this $8 coupon. Okay, so grabbing one of those Maybelline minis for $10.49, subtracting that $8 digital, you're paying $2.49, and do this deal in store. I know that people were trying to put a curbside order through on Christmas Day, and it was just like dead on the website. So whenever there's a really big glitch and something is amiss in a fire, what Walgreens has been doing, I've noticed this lately, is they'll just disable their website where you can't add anything. So for the average shopper that needs to buy a bag of diapers, that's kind of frustrating, but they did that, and I noticed it happen yesterday and then on Christmas Day for the Maybelline, and my store had Maybelline, but it said I couldn't order it. Now, the glitch I was talking about yesterday where I was buying 3 body washes and getting an extra $5 of Walgreens cash, it has to do with this digital, as per many people talking on Instagram. And so apparently this was attaching to purchases yesterday. And if you got it, that's great. I think that people that are going out today and trying to do deals with this, it's either the coupon is disattached, I don't see it anymore, or if you do a deal, the Walgreens cash is being taken back right away. A couple people posted about that. So it was a weird thing that was going on Sunday morning up until Sunday afternoon. And then some people went, they went and took it a little extra, and then I think it must have flagged the system, and then they just removed the coupon, and then they started taking back the Walgreens cash. And I've seen that done a couple times. There was a ladies Gillette deal, I think in 2018, so it doesn't happen often, but it happens like 2 years ago or 3 years ago. And it was the same thing where people were getting these Gillette razors and paying next to nothing and getting $10 back for each. And then after the next day, everybody saw a big negative of Walgreens cash in their account where the store came back in and took the money. So who really knows what that's all about? I didn't lose my cash, but I also did my deals first thing on Sunday morning, so I'm not really sure what that's all about. But in case you guys were like, well, how does this work? Why is it not working in Oklahoma, but it's working in like Maine? That's why it had to do with this. And by luck and chance, I saw a post on this, and that's the mystery right there. So just to let you know, though, today, if you are receiving any sort of Walgreens cash, it's probably going to be you'll receive it and then it'll be like taken back. And I've seen that before. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.